Good morning students. Today we are going to start Mathematics of Standard 7, chapter number 2, exercise 2.5 from question number 5. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. So here the number is given which we have to write in the expanded form. So it is 20.03. So first of all let's count the place from here. So this is 1's digit, this is 10's digit. This is the 10th digit and this is 100th place. This is the 100th place. So here we have to write that is 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 0 into, this is the 10th place, so we have to write 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100, because this place is considered as a 100th place. We have to write 3 into 1 upon 100. Now next question 2.03. So this place is considered as ones. This is the 10th place. This is 100th place. 100th place. So here we have to write 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10. So this place is considered as 10. So we have to write 0 into 1 upon 10. Then plus 3 into 1 upon 100. Now coming to the number 3, 200.03. Here this place means ones. This means tens. This means 100. This means before, after point we have to write like this one. This place is considered as 10th. This is 100th. So here 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus this 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10. Here after point 0 into 1 upon 10, then 3 into 1 upon 100. Now fourth number 2.034. So this place means ones. This means 10th. This means 100th. And this means 1000th. So here 2 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus 3 into 1 upon 100 plus here this place is considered as a 1000th place. So here 4 into 1 upon 1000. Now question number 6, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. We have to write the place value of 2 here also. So we are going to underline the place. So first number 2.56. So here this place is considered as ones. So here the place value of 2 is ones. So it is 2 only. Then here this place is considered as ones and this place is considered as tens. So it is 2 into 10. So it is 20. Now 10.25. So this place is considered as after point. After point this number is considered as a 10th place unit. So here we have to write 2 into 1 upon 10. So it is 2 upon 10. 2 ones are 2 and upon 10. So this place is considered as 10th place. So it is 2 upon 10. Then here this is 10 and this is 100. So it is 2 into 1 upon 100. So it is 2 upon 100. Now next question 63.352. So here this place is considered as This place is considered as 10th. This is the 100th. And this place is considered as 1000th. So the place value of 2 is here 1000. So it is 2 into 1 upon 1000. So it is 2 upon 1000. So here the place value of 2 is 2 upon 1000. Number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. So here Dinesh went from A to place B and from B to place C. A is 7.5 km from B. So this is 7.5 km distance from A to B, that is 7.5 km. And B is 12.7 km from C. So this is 12.7 km. Now Ayub went from place A to place D. So from place to place D and from there to place C and from place D to place C. Now D is 9.3 km from A. So D is 9.3 km and C is 11.8 km from D. So it is 11.8 km. Now, so we have to find out who traveled more and by how much. So first of all we have to find out that distance traveled by Dinesh. So distance traveled by Dinesh is equal to AB plus BC. So AB is 7.5 km plus BC is 12.7 km. Now we have to add this 7.5 and 12.7. So it is 12, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 20.2 km. Now we have to find out the distance traveled by Ayub. Now distance traveled by Ayub. So it is AD plus DC. So AD is 9.3 km plus DC is 11.8 km. Now add this 9.3 and 11.8. 8, 10, 11. So you have 1, 9, 10, 11. So it is 21.1 km. So your distance travelled by Dinesh is 20.2 km and your distance travelled by Ayub, that is 21.1 km. So from this we can conclude that Ayub travelled more than Dinesh. So therefore here we have to write since 21.1 km is greater than 20.2 km. Therefore Ayub travelled more than Dinesh. So here from this we can conclude that Ayub travelled more than Dinesh. Now number 8, Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? So first of all we have to find out the total fruits brought by Sama and Sarla. Then we can say that who brought more fruits. So first of all bought by Shama. Shama is equal to 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. So here 5 kg plus, if we convert this 300 gram into kg, then it is 0.300 kg. Then 3 kg plus, if we convert this 250 gram into kg, then it is 0.250 kg. So now it is 5.300 kg plus 3.250 kg. So if we add this, then it is 8.550 kg. So fruits bought by Shama, that is 8.550 kg. Now fruits bought by Sarla. So it is 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram. So 4 kg plus here, if we convert this 800 gram into kg, so it is 0.800 kg. Then 4 kg, if we convert this 150 gram into kg, then it is 0.150 kg. Now 4.800 kg plus 4.150 kg. Now we are going to add this. So 4.150 0 5 9 8. So it is 8.950 kg. So here fruits bought by Sarla, that is 8.950 kg. So if you are going to compare this fruit bought by Sama and Sarla, so here Sarla bought more fruits than Shama. So from this we can conclude that fruits brought by Sama is fruits brought by Sarla is more as compared to Shama. So therefore Sarla bought more fruits than Shama. Now number 9, how much less is 28 km than 42.6 km? So here we have to find out the difference. We have to minus 28 km from 42.6 km. So let's write this difference. So 42.6 km minus 28 km. So here 42.6, here 28.0. Now here 6, it is 12 and this is 3. So it is 4 and this 1. So our answer is 14.6 km. So here 14.6 km. So 14.6 km less is 28 km than 42.6 km. So our answer is 14.6 km. So dear students, here we completed our exercise 2.5. I hope you understand it very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.